In this video, we're going to talk about the ternary operator in Python and what it means. We'll start off with a condition variable to hold true. In line number 3, we're going to have a condition. If this condition is true, we're going to make x equal to 1, or we're going to assign 1 to the variable x. Otherwise, we're going to assign 0 to the variable x. So if you remember, condition here is just the variable value that's going to evaluate either to true or false, either a truthy value or a falsy value. So make sure to take a look at my video on that if this doesn't sound familiar. But what we're trying to do is just do some functionality if this condition evaluates to true, do something else if this condition it is false. And right now we're just going to print x, and we know that this is going to be 1. Now what can we do? We know this is Python. We could do better in terms of readability and being concise. And you could probably imagine we can do this in a one-liner like this. So what can we do? Hey, look, x equals 1 if this condition is truthy, else x is going to equal 0. So if we run this, we're going to see that in both cases we get the same thing. And let's run it and save it, and we get 1 and 1 for both. And that's exactly the point here, where in a one-liner you can argue this is more concise, more readable, more maintainable, just a little bit cleaner, if you will. This up here is, excuse me, fine, and you could do. But as you know, in Python, we could do things that make things even simpler. Well, our code even simpler. And just remember what I always say, just because you can kill a fly with a bazooka doesn't mean you may want to, right? That's up to you. You could definitely do that, but you got to choose the right tool for the job. In this case, this could be the right tool for the job.